Yes, that's enough. All right, let's move on to the next step. This way. So, the next thing, what we're going to do is we're going to add SAP crystals, and what these are going to do is they're going to absorb the water. So you're going to take 1 teaspoon, like so. You're going to pour it in there, and then you're going to let it sit for a little while. Okay? 1 teaspoon. Yeah, that's already done it. 1 teaspoon. And then and pass it down so the next person can have it. Now you're going to let it sit for a little while. Let it sit for a little while.
It's crystallizing! Oh my god!
This is what I did for my college.
Now, eyes on me. Now, after you let it sit, what you're then going to do is you're going to start scooping up the gel, once it becomes a gel, and you're going to start putting it into your Ziploc bag. Now, whatever you do, try to avoid the huge clumps, okay? Just try to scoop up the parts that don't have the huge clumps in it, because a lot of times that means that it's just a powder form, not necessarily gel.
This is not a diamond.
I mean, this is mine.
Okay. All right. Once your gel is formed, you're gonna start scooping it up and putting it in your bag. Yeah, like I said, avoid the real big white parts. Yeah, that's good. So you're gonna start scooping up the gel. Now, who can tell me? Who remembers what type of reaction are we trying to cause? Endo or exothermic?
Endo.
No.
Oh wait.
We're creating hand warmers.
Oh, I thought we were creating the ice.
Nope, we're creating hand warmers. So what type of reaction are we trying to create? Exothermic, which means that heat is being what?
Release.
Heat is being released. Very good. All right. Now, once you've scooped your gel in, you're then going to use the paper towel that I just gave you, and you're going to wipe the spoon.
Lena, remember when mom and dad brought you
Now, next, I'm going to give you calcium chloride to add. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to take a tablespoon of calcium chloride and add it to your bag. You need to wipe that first, though. Make sure you wipe your spoon after you've added your gel. So wipe your spoon with the paper towel that I gave you. That's enough. Wipe your spoon. You have enough. Yes, wipe your spoon. And then you're going to add. That's enough. Yeah, like I said, avoid that clump. But you have enough in there. Wipe your spoon and then add the calcium chloride. Yeah, just leave it. Uh-huh. Now, as soon as you add the calcium chloride, you should start feeling a difference. Now, last but not least, this is iron. What is this? Iron is a type of what? It's a type of metal. And metals are very good conduits for heat.
Actually really getting colder.
Yes.
You know the iron? The difference is the iron.
So-
It's fine. So each one is going to get it at the bottom.
Really? All right, so we're going to add iron to it to also accelerate the exothermic reaction. Make sure you wipe your spoon. Now, once you've done that, you can then close your bag. So once you've added the calcium chloride and the iron, you're then going to close your bag and you should start kneading it together. And your bag should start getting warm. Yeah, good. That's what's supposed to happen. Now, I'm going to ask you this question, and let's make sure that everyone knows the answer. Are we creating heat? No, we are not creating heat. Yes, we're going to zip it up and then start kneading it together. We are not creating heat. What are we actually doing? We're causing what? Say it again. What are we causing? We're causing an exothermic reaction. And as a result, what is happening? As a result, what are we causing? We're causing what? An exothermic reaction. And as a result, what is being released? The heat is being released. So we're not creating heat. The heat already what? The heat was already what? It already existed. It was already here. We just needed to create what type of what? We just needed to create the exothermic reaction in order to cause the heat. So, whose bag ended up getting hotter? Once you added the what?
Iron and calcium.
Once you added the calcium chloride and the iron.
They actually started getting really hot. Right, but the iron.
Very good. Very good. Good. Now, that being said, this was our first chemical reaction that we created today. So,